You might think you're cooking healthy, but what if your daily cooking habits are actually destroying nutrients, adding hidden calories, and harming your health? Today, we're uncovering the most common healthy cooking mistakes and how to fix them instantly. Stay until the end, because mistake number 9 is something almost everyone does every single day. Healthy eating isn't just about choosing the right ingredients. It's also about how you cook them. Even the healthiest foods can lose their benefits or become unhealthy if cooked the wrong way. Let's break it down. Mistake number 1. Overcooking vegetables. Boiling vegetables for too long destroys essential nutrients like vitamin C and antioxidants. Example: overboiled broccoli loses much of its nutritional value. What to do instead? Steam vegetables lightly. Stir-fry quickly. Cook until slightly tender, not mushy. Mistake number 2. Using too much oil. Even healthy oils can become unhealthy when overused. Adding too much oil increases calories, leads to weight gain, can affect heart health. Better approach: use measuring spoons. Try air frying or grilling. Use non-stick cookware. Remember, healthy oil doesn't mean unlimited use. Mistake number 3. Cooking at high heat. High heat can destroy nutrients and even produce harmful compounds, especially when oils smoke. This creates toxins that are not good for your body. Solution: cook at medium or low heat. Choose oils with high smoke points, like avocado oil. Mistake number 4. Peeling away nutrients. Many nutrients are found in the skin of fruits and vegetables. Example: potato skin equals fiber. Apple skin equals antioxidants. Better habit: wash thoroughly instead of peeling when possible. Mistake number 5. Overusing salt. Too much salt can increase blood pressure and harm your heart. Many people add salt without tasting first. Smart alternatives: use herbs and spices. Add lemon juice or garlic for flavor. Reduce gradually. Mistake number 6. Not washing produce properly. Skipping proper washing can leave pesticides, dirt, bacteria, thicks. Rinse under running water. Use a brush for harder produce. Mistake number 7. Reusing cooking oil. Reheating oil multiple times creates harmful compounds. This is a very common but dangerous habit. It may increase risk of health problems over time. Safer choice: use fresh oil each time. Avoid deep frying frequently. Mistake number 8. Ignoring portion sizes. Even healthy food becomes unhealthy in large amounts. Overeating leads to weight gain, digestive issues. Solution: use smaller plates. Control portion sizes. Eat mindfully. Mistake number 9. Skipping protein balance. Many healthy meals lack enough protein. This can cause hunger soon after eating, muscle loss. Better approach: add beans, eggs, fish, or lean meat. Balance carbs plus protein plus fats. Mistake number 10. Not reading labels. Healthy packaged foods can contain hidden sugars, artificial ingredients, excess sodium. What to do? Read ingredients carefully. Choose whole foods when possible. Conclusion: quick healthy cooking habits. Plan your meals. Cook at home more often. Avoid processed foods. Stay hydrated. Healthy cooking isn't complicated. It's about avoiding small mistakes that make a big difference. Start with just one change today, and your body will thank you tomorrow. If you found this helpful, like the video. Subscribe for more health tips. Share with someone who cares about healthy living.